Rahul sir joined.
This call is now being recorded.
Yes, Sister Norman, you will have to keep your mic off only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It's off.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. Yes. We should start the program now. It is 1 o'clock.
Thank you, sir.
Rekha madam, will you mute yourself by the time?
Yes. Yes.
Your headphone. Yeah.
Sir, shall I start?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead, please.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Good afternoon, all of you. Respected dignitaries, honorable guests, Chairman Sri Sagarji Phunkar sir, Vice Chairman Sri Akashji Phunkar sir, Director Sri Amitji Kirtane sir, respected Principal Sir Sri Dharmadhikari ji sir, honorable guest Miss Rekha Surve ma'am and Norway ma'am, teachers and my dear students. I would like to welcome all of you in this great event. Today event is a small celebration of inauguration, the new and small steps we have taken towards National Education Policy 2020. Is that SDK Charisma. Now on this spacious event, we should begin with the prayer of Goddess Goddess Saraswati. So let us join our hands and pray together with Mr. Hari Shalode sir and Aparna Dure ma'am. So now I would like to invite Hari Shalode sir and Aparna Dure ma'am for Saraswati Vandana.
या कुन्दे तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा.
Thank you so much, sir. After this Saraswati Vandana, I would like to welcome our guest and principal, sir. I would request to Dipali Javre ma'am to welcome Ms. Rekha Surve ma'am. Dipali Javre ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, Priyanka ma'am. Good afternoon, all. Myself, Dipali Javre, really feeling very proud to welcome our special guest. Few persons are born to be great, like our chief guest, Ms. Rekha Surve ma'am. Very first, I request to everyone present here, please give a big hand to welcome our chief guest, Ms. Rekha ma'am. Thank you. I'm very
welcome, ma'am. Welcome.
Welcome, ma'am. I am very small to speak about a person who is unique and uncommon in herself. She is the galaxy of experiences and colorful prism of intellectual things. Her work identify is such as she is the manager of Vinayak Gurukul CBSE School of Amravati. She is former principal of Abhyas School and Maharshi Public School of Amravati. She is retired from one of the famous Holy Cross School of Amravati. Such a great personality who has 30 plus years of experience in education field. Really, it is a huge contribution. It is not enough. She was commandant of NCC and is sports person also. Dear and respected Rekha ma'am, you are welcome here. We all heartily welcome you. Now ma'am, you are going to be a part of this unique and new concept of SDK Charisma introduced by our principal, Mr. Prasant Dharmadhikari sir. From the bottom of heart, I want to tell you, principal sir, that thanks for this honor that you gave me this opportunity to welcome a such personality. Thank you, sir. Over to Priyanka ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dipali ma'am. Now I want to introduce our respected principal sir. For him, I just want to say some lines. खुद से ही जीतना है मुझे, खुद को ही हराना है, मैं भीड़ नहीं हूँ दुनिया की, मेरे अंदर ही एक जमाना है. I would request to Aparna Dure ma'am, Jayashree Boshre ma'am, for welcoming our respected principal sir. Over to you, Jayashree ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम. शुभ दोपहर, शुभ दोपहर, शुभ दोपहर. ईश्वर ने कीमती रतन गिनती के ही बनाए हैं. ईश्वर ने कीमती रतन गिनती के ही बनाए हैं. उन रत्नों में सबसे कीमती आज हमारे बीच में आए हैं. उन रत्नों में सबसे कीमती आज हमारे बीच में आए हैं. मैं जयश्री बोसरे यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी सम्माननीय गण एवं मेरे प्रिय छात्र सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ. आज हम सभी वर्चुअल इनॉग्रेशन सेरेमनी ऑफ एसडीके करिश्मा इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित हुए हैं. इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित हमारे सभी के प्रिय प्रधानाचार्य श्री प्रशांत धर्माधिकारी जी सर, इनका मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ, जिन्हें इन शिक्षण क्षेत्र में 28 वर्षों का अनुभव है. वे बहुत ही पारदर्शक और निष्पक्ष भाव से सभी के साथ व्यवहार रखते हैं और शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में उनका बड़ा योगदान है, जो हमें समय समय पर मार्गदर्शन करते हैं तथा आज की इन कठिन परिस्थितियों में भी वे हार न मानते हुए हमारे साथ डटकर खड़े रहे. उनके नेतृत्व में आज हमारे स्कूल के सभी कार्यक्रम सफल हुए हैं, जैसे कि वर्चुअल टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग, वर्चुअल एसडीके कार्निवल, वर्चुअल कवि सम्मेलन. आदरणीय सर, आपसे निवेदन है कि आप हमेशा हमारे साथ रहे, हमें मार्गदर्शन करते रहे. आपका स्वागत है सर. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, Jayashree ma'am. Actually, it is mean a lot. I also want, yes sir.
Sorry to interrupt for 2 minutes. We have with us Chitlanga madam also. She is our colleague and she is the pioneer of the school establishment.
Yeah.
Chitlanga ma'am, I welcome you over here, and I'll be happy that you also turn on your camera and enjoy this inauguration.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much, sir. Good afternoon to one and all. And once again, I'm very much happy and being a part of this cultural event. And I wish you all the very best from the bottom of my heart, from pre-primary Kidzi Sanskar Gyanpit. Thank you once again, sir, for making me a part of this event. Thank you all, madams, and wish you all the best.
Yes, over to Priyanka.
Yeah. Welcome, Chitlange ma'am. I would like to request Sakshi ma'am to welcoming Chitlange ma'am. Over to you, Sakshi ma'am.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Respected guest, respected principal sir, respected Chitlange ma'am. On behalf of SDK family, I welcome you in virtual inauguration ceremony of SDK Charisma. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you very much, beta. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sakshi ma'am. Now I would like to request to Harish Elode sir for a beautiful welcome song for all of our guests, teachers and principals, sir. Harish Elode sir.
Yes, ma'am. स्वागत है आज यहाँ मान्य बधुना, स्वागत है आज यहाँ मान्य बधुना, स्वागत है आज यहाँ मान्य बधुना, मान्य बधु गुनी जनों आदर सबका, मान्य बधु गुनी जनों आदर सबका, स्वागत है आज यहाँ मान्य बधु का। कोमल फूलों के जैसे सद्भाव का है साथ, कोमल फूलों के जैसे सद्भाव का है साथ, स्वीकारो अभिनंदन और हर्ष से विराजो, स्वागत है आज यहाँ मान्य बधु का। पुलकित हो मन से है जो गुनी संग साथ, पुलकित हो मन से है जो गुनी संग साथ, सुखद सौभाग्य है जो अवसर मिला, स्वागत है आज यहाँ मान्य बधु का, स्वागत है आज यहाँ मान्य बधु का, मान्य बधु गुनी जनों आदर सबका, मान्य बधु गुनी जनों आदर सबका। Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir, for that lovely song. Now we will proceed ahead in our event. This is the SDK Charisma inauguration program. This idea is only, we have got this idea because of only our respected principal, sir. And I think you all are agree this is the fantastic idea for a bagless day, which National Education Policy has introduced us, right? So now I would like to call upon Mrs. Sonali Bobre ma'am for the preface of the event. Sonali Bobre ma'am.
Yes, Priyanka, thank you very much. A very happy afternoon to all. Respected dignitaries, Honorable President Mr. Sagarji Phunkar sir, respected MLA, Advocate Mr. Akashji Phunkar sir, Honorable Director Mr. Amitji Kirtane sir, respected Principal Prashantji Dharmadekari sir, guest of the program, Miss Rekha Sube ma'am, Chitlange ma'am, parents and teachers. Myself Sonali Bobre, event coordinator of Sanskar Jnanpith Khamgaon, welcome you all in a virtual summer camp SDK Charisma April 2021. As Sanskar Jnanpith always brings something new, so again we come back with event SDK Charisma Bagless School Summer Camp with some new ideas, new energy and new enthusiasm and with some imagination. These all are only possible because of our respected principal, sir. The strong leadership is the foundation of school success, and without our principal, sir, it would not be possible. The idea of virtual summer camp, SDK Charisma, is also a thought of our respected principal, sir. The purpose of summer camp is educational authentic of cultural development as suggested in NEP 2020. A summer camp environment may allow children to learn new skills in a safe and nurturing environment. Summer camp experience can have lasting psychological impact on the development of a child. SDK Charisma is a beautiful combination which includes 12 hobbies, 12 competitions, and 6 activities where students can explore, learn, and fun. We anticipate 100% participation in SDK Charisma to explore the personalities. Our school, Sanskar Gnanpit, is a place where free and orderly thinking is cultivated, one where every idea is tested in crucible or critical reflection. For this reason, above all, it is the natural and the best place to begin the thoughtful and orderous process of developing analytical habits of mind, a character of confidence, integrity, and the discipline of respectful engagement with others. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sonali ma'am. After that, I would like to welcome Amul Borole sir, our MOD of Mathematics, for talk about NEP and SDK Charisma. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Priyanka ma'am. Honorable President sir, Honorable Director sir, Honorable guests, Honorable Principal sir, Honorable Chitlange madam, and dear colleagues, parents, and dear students. Greetings. National Education Policy and SDK Charisma. Dear all, this is the era of educational revolution. The educational policy changed from rote learning to life learning, theoretical way to practical approach. National Education Policy empowering the students for the occasional and skilled professional subject development. CBSE has introduced new learning methodologies, experiential learning, and competency-based education. SDK Charisma is a project designed by respected principal sir, which fulfills all the criteria of experiential learning and competency-based education. Students will enjoy and learn lot many things from this through their own experiences. Thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity. Thanks everybody. Now over to Priyanka ma'am.
Thank you, Amul sir. It was really nice description. Now, in the upcoming session, we need the skill education. For the skill education, this is the one of the platform which is SDK Charisma, which is suggested by only our respected principal sir. Now, I would like to call upon Seema Khomle ma'am for talk about skill education and SDK Charisma. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, all. Honorable Chief Guest, respected member of school committee, respected Principal Shri Prashant Dharmadhikari sir, Headmistress Mrs. Chitlange ma'am, my colleagues. SDK Charisma is a non-formal education mode. It's a stream of multiple pathways of learning. According to NEP 2020, the aim of education will not be only cognitive development, but also building characters and creating holistic and well-rounded individuals equipped with 21st century skills. Specific sets of skills and values across domain have to be identified for integration and incorporation at each stage of learning. Throughout the school education, skill education has to be incorporated, and Sanskar Jnanpith has been pouring its efforts for learners' all-round development. Skill education has been an integral part of education in our school, through which SDK learners are exposed to various skills through the activities like Charisma. SDK Charisma is going to open up the doors of skill education through various types of hobby classes, activities, and competitions to our PV Sundur Little Gems of 1st and 2nd standard, Sakshi Malik Creative Minds of 3rd and 4th standard, Saina Nehwal Horizon Blasters of 5th and 6th standard, and Mary Com Career Masters of our 7th and 8th standard kids. Also, SDK Charisma is a virtual platform to develop, enhance, improve, and improvise the various skills of our learners. Not only this, but not only the pupils, but also we teachers. We are going to get the opportunity, a very good opportunity to sharpen our own skills. And for this purpose, I thank our principal, sir. With this, I stop here. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Seema ma'am. After the very good explanation about the skill education, because SDK Charisma is full of skills by which we teachers will also learn very much and student will also get more and more benefit. Now I would like to call upon Rupa Singh ma'am for expressing her thought about digital fatigue and SDK Charisma. Welcome ma'am. Rupa ma'am, your mic is mute, I think. Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes. Now you are audible. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. First, let us pay our homage to our inspiration, Shri late Bhau Sahib Phunkar ji. Dais dignitaries, although I can see many senior citizens here. Our management members, Principal Sir, Chitlange ma'am. Today I'm going to just speak about digital fatigue, and we are going to connect that with SDK Charisma. Actually, digital fatigue is recognized state of mental exhaustion and disengagement that we people have used numerous digital tools and apps concurrently and in ongoing way. We have spent more time on computers for school and even for socializing. Parents around the world are attempting to homeschool their children for the first time as the COVID-19 pandemic forces closures in more than 180 countries. Primary school is critical and creatively considering a host of challenges, infrastructural, pedagogical, and social economic, to build a simple, personal, accessible, yet committed virtual environment. The environment that strives to maintain some sort of structure, a sense of normality through contact with teachers who care and are mindful of all those children who physically need them and who they may not be able to reach. We are unable to reach. We are unable to give that physical touch to the students. Teachers too have become overstretched with new shifts and routines, learning new tools and everyday online content creation, while they became increasingly anxious about the ways in which they can cater for the well-being of students and younger children online, especially those with special education and health needs, but inspiring the children at home through online classes. Often health threats and fear of illness makes us want to stop time, but that's not possible. Though such moments unite us this online movement unites us on a global scale with sheer fears, restrictions, and realities. But wellness experts says virtualization can have great benefits to helping people stay connected in isolation. The good news is there are plenty of ways to reduce digital fatigue. And of course, SDK, Sanskar Jnanpith Khamgaon, is always ready for all the challenges where our respected principal sir always have great and new ideas which he always shares with us. He trusts on we teachers that we teachers can do all the things possible. Thank you for the trust, sir. Many schools have started summer academic classes, but as the assessing of paper is remaining, the result is still remaining to declare. So it was decided that we won't go with the academic. Instead, we can go with bagless days mentioned by NEP as SDK Karishma. We want students to be refreshed with new energies. And here we bring lots of activities for all. Music, news anchoring, poem competition, dance, public speaking, debate, and many, many more. Of course, students enjoy in experiential learning, which the teachers will give them. Learning only has good effects when learners have the desire to absorb the knowledge. Therefore, experiential learning requires the showing of direction for learners. Experiential learning entails a hand-on approach to learning that moves away from just the teacher at the front of the room imparting and transferring their knowledge to students. It makes learning an experience that moves beyond the classroom and strives to bring a more involved way of learning. So all be ready to come out of this digital fatigue and refresh yourself at SDK Karishma. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rupa ma'am, for the great information. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to call upon Aparna Gawande ma'am for the energy for the new academic session. I would like to call to show her thoughts about it. Aparna Gawande madam.
Thank you, Priyanka ma'am.
Yeah.
Respected management, respected principal sir, honorable chief guest, Rekha ma'am, Sister Norman, headmistress Chitlange ma'am, all teachers and dear students, a very pleasant afternoon to all. I, Arpana Gawande, am here to speak about the event SDK Charisma from the different point of view. That is, SDK Charisma, a bagless school, is an energy booster for all of us. Socrates has said, the unexamined life is not worth living. Yes, if we are to engage with other people as an educator, it is vital to continue to examine our heart, our works, and then to rejuvenate our energy for leading ahead. And SDK Charisma is going to help all SDKians, teachers, students, and all the people involved in this process to rejuvenate their energy for next academic session. As virtual school was the need for pandemic year 2020 and even may go or may last for some more years. But it brought some digital weariness, tiredness to the students, teachers, and all involved in this process. To wash out this digital exhaustion, our respected principal sir has brought a very innovative transformation, due to which students and even teachers will feel themselves refreshed, renovated, restored. And with this, I'm sure that all will feel very happy and re-energized with this new concept, Miss SDK Charisma Bagless School. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Priyanka madam. Over to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now is the time of inauguration of our program. I would request to Rahul Ugle sir for the inauguration video. Over to you, Rahul sir.
Yes, ma'am. Just wait. I'm presenting my screen.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. I want to everyone for clap because this is an event, very huge event, and I hope so we all will together and we will succeed it. Right? Thank you so much, everyone. Okay. Now, this is the time. Now it's the time to invite our respected guest, Rekha Surve ma'am, to convey her thoughts about the event. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes, madam.
Honorable Punkar family, Bhau Saheb and Sagar Punkar sir, respected Prashant Dharmadhikari sir, principal of the school, teachers, non-teaching staff, and all those present. I will start my very small speech with my introduction. My introduction is already given by your teachers, but just I'll add 2-3 lines more there. I am from Vinayakar School, recently affiliated school, CBSE. I am from Amravati. I am serving there as a manager. Yes, this is voluntary service given to school. I am ex-NCC officer. My designation was a chief officer. I attended Republic Day Delhi 6 times. And I am decorated with commendation card. It is given by the chief of the army staff. It is just like the best officers this commendation card. Then from the Forest Office, I received Nisarga Saurakshan Samstha Vasundhara Mitra Puraskar. And Maharashtra Police Department had given me Tejaswini Puraskar. So that's all about my this introduction. Now I will move to important point of my speech, and that is today's program. Sanskar Jnanpith Khamgaon Karishma Camp. Name itself is given Karishma. So it will be Karishma. After program, after your 20 days camp, you just give us a report that how was your camp. The future of the students shines in their eyes, and their future is totally dependent on the parents and teachers. Actually, students come together to have fun and learn new things in the camp. During summer camp, many children make new friends, develop self-confidence and social skills. Camps means less fatigue and more enjoyment. I had seen your school camps program, that is agenda. It is very nicely categorized according to the classes and age group. Surely school students will be benefited through the camp. This is for their all-round development. According to new education policy, what is scheduled in your school camp, that is Karishma, is required. Songs, dance, mono acting, debate, photography, role play, science quiz, fancy dress, article writing, cursive writing, quiz on information technology. Everything is included, and that is according to what new education policy. Your principal sir is there to guide you there. So teachers, you help and guide your students. My third point is, as we are all aware of the harmful situation, I request you to keep and follow the rules of COVID-19. COVID-19 has taught us to live clean and to maintain social distance, which were forgotten by us. All the best to you and Sanskar Jnanpith members for this camp. With my good wishes and blessing, I end my speech. May God bless you all. May God give you healthy, wealthy, and prosperous life. Thank you, Dharmadhikari Principal Sir, for giving me this opportunity to talk with your staff. Thank you. And sir is always helping me. He is giving me brotherly advice always. He is too young to say brother also. He is like a son. So thank you, Dharmadhikari sir. Yes, we will meet very soon. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rekha ma'am. Now it's a time to invite respected principal sir to convey his thoughts about our SDK Charisma event. Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. My very good guide, Rekha ma'am. Actually, with a small step when I entered into CBSE, the one who has hold my finger was by Rekha ma'am, and now she said that I advise her and I guide her. It's not the fact. She is my very good colleague. She is very motherly to me, and of course, we keep on discussing on many multiple issues. It's really a proud privilege for me to having a ma'am over here, and I'm very pleased to see Sister Norman here also. So I welcome wholeheartedly Norman here to you. We too have rather good discussions, and she is also a very good colleague of me. Dear teachers, Chitlange ma'am is also here. Of course, she is also always the integral part of our activities. Very first, I want to congratulate the complete event team and all the teachers for wonderful creation through your dedicated efforts. Only hard efforts, I'll not say that, but these are the dedicated and creative efforts which you pour together. Very beautifully, the ideas have come out, and now you are actually weaving them into a beautiful carpet, and we know that students are going to enjoy to walk on this beautiful carpet. New educational policy, I think that very less remain to me to now share, because Amul sir, then Seema madam, Rupa Singh ma'am, Arpana Gawande ma'am, they spoke a lot, and I feel so that now very less remain to my side. Only just the thing is that new educational policy, though it is word with a new educational policy, but I personally feel that this is our traditional educational policy. Again, our old golden days are coming back, and with those olden days, we are trying to follow our tradition. We started respecting and honoring our custom, traditions, and follow our values and virtues. So empowering everyone with the values while learning ourselves, while training ourselves, while developing our skills. I personally feel that this is nothing but it is again the teacher's role is more becoming like a instead of a teacher-student relationship, it is becoming disciple and preceptor relationship. And you know, here Guru Shishya Parampara is going to be back, and one of the small attempts what we have organized here, SDK Charisma. SDK Charisma, of course, it's a bagless school. Why have we thought about this? Because it was very simple that suddenly I'll see that it may be a disaster, it may be a directly mishaps, like the students immediately started learning there on the screens. They missed their school for more than 365 days, and now again 1 more year will go. According to my calculations, this position will be more or less by 2025. And you know, the consequences are going to be very, very difficult in future. And for this one, everyone has to be ready for future generation, has to be ready with the technology, has to develop the skill. And what efforts we were putting in the physical school, I think more efforts we need to now pour into technical way. Actually, here the team which was working behind this idea, all teachers were working together and to synchronize this wonderful program. Particular some again technical team was working. Even non-technical people became now very technically smart, and till 2 o'clock night they had a communication with me, and they were so excited to do something, and they were getting approved. So very first hearty thanks to you, and congratulations for a wonderful inauguration ceremony in the gracious presence of my guide Rekha Surve ma'am. We are very happy to listen her golden words. Surely she has extended words of care as the elderly figure, and we too are going to pray for her best of health, and also we wish all the best for her new school, recently affiliated school. And we expect that, of course, we are here also. If any sort of support which you require, we can have a good exchange of faculties. Now, according to new NEPs, there can be the exchange of faculties. Of course, now virtually it is possible, madam, and we are ready to have the virtual exchange of the teachers and of the students also in future. So it's a good sort of things. And to all the parents, all the students, I wish all my best, because from 12th they'll start working on these all activities. They will enjoy these activities, and I feel so that they should be with the refresh button ready in their hand to push it and get fully refreshed to have this strong academic session once again from June. Because now they are going to enjoy the bagless school, they are going to enjoy the skill development and empowerment through this SDK Charisma. Really, Miss, I must salute my teachers for their hard work, dedication, because this time I did not ask whether you are skilled in the particular activity. I have assigned them the responsibilities, and you know, they started learning by using and following YouTubes. They started exercising themselves, and what not they are doing. Really, this is the skill development of you faculties too, and the students too. I personally feel the parents, I like to just monitor your children, support them, encourage them, because it is going to remove the digital fatigue of the children. With this, actually, the success of every program is without, it is not possible without support of the management. I just want to express my sincere thanks to Honorable Chairman Sri Sagarji Phunkar sir, Vice Chairman MLA Advocate Sri Akashji Phunkar sir, our Director Sri Amitji Kirtane sir, and my whole staff who is working behind curtain to make this system very successful. And with them only this is possible. We are able to do all the things successfully. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Enjoy and rejuvenate your energies. Come ahead with a new booster dose. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Principal sir. Now I would like to request Chitlange ma'am to show her thoughts about the event. Chitlange ma'am. Shakshi ma'am, can you check? Is she there?
Yeah, ma'am. They're in the meeting.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Chitlange ma'am.
Actually, I'm having network. I'm trying to connect. 1 sec.
No problem, ma'am. Yes, Sakshi ma'am, we shall wait.
We may present some activities by the time.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay. Now I would like to request Sarita Gandhi ma'am to present some activity. Over to you, Sarita ma'am. Sarita Gandhi ma'am,
Yes,
are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
ठीक है, अपन दोनों दिख जाए उनको तो वो बहुत है, काफी है। ये अच्छा आ रहा है। तुम रिंग करके सर को बोल दो। आई थिंक यहाँ दिख रहे हैं ना तुम सर। अच्छा वो बता रही है। They are also at home. फिर भी कितने कनेक्ट हो गए ना मैम, टाइम पे
will you mute yourself?
मत ऑफ कर, मत ऑफ कर।
Thank you so much, Sarita ma'am. Now I would request to Norman ma'am, Sister Norman, to say something about our SDK Charisma event. Welcome ma'am. Sakshi ma'am, is she there?
Priyanka.
I think they are not getting my voice.
Ready to join.
Yes, Sister Norman, will you please share your words of blessings, please?
I think, ma'am, some network issue is there.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Sir, shall I continue?
Yes.
But we can't mute that, right?
Rekha ma'am, will you please mute your mic? Rekha ma'am.
I don't know what. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I would like to request Mr. Prashant Zavade, sir, to present some activities for our SDK Charisma. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, all. जैसे कि आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल सर ने हमें बताया है कि एसडीके करिश्मा ये एक अद्भुत एनर्जी और फ्रेशनेस से भरा हुआ कंसेप्ट है। मैं प्रशांत जावड़े एज ए इंचार्ज ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ दिस इवेंट दैट इज लाफ्टर चैलेंज, इसमें 3 इंचार्ज है, जयश्री बोत्रे, वंदना ढगे और मैं। हमने बच्चों को जिस तरह से बताया है कि ये जो लाफ्टर चैलेंज है, ये लाफ्टर चैलेंज एक अपने आप में एक खूबी है जो बच्चों के अंदर छुपी हुई होती है। बच्चे अपने आप को एक अलग तौर पे पेश करने वाले हैं, तो इसके लिए एक छोटा सा एक डेमो पीस जो है मैं यहाँ पे पेश करने वाला हूँ। मैम, आई एम ऑडिबल देयर?
यस सर।
ओके। इसमें जैसे लाफ्टर चैलेंज में होता है कि कोई हंसाए, किसी को हंसाए, खुल के हंसाए। मैं आपके सामने एक हंसाने के लिए एक छोटा सा एक पीस पेश करने वाला हूँ। मैं यही बताने वाला हूँ कि लोग हंसते कैसे हैं। हंसी के अलग अलग प्रकार होते हैं और हर इंसान की अपनी हंसने की एक अलग अदा होती है, एक खूबी होती है। हर कोई ऐसे खुल के नहीं हंसता। हंसी के जो प्रकार होते हैं वो मैं बताने वाला हूँ। हमने देखा है आमतौर पर जो ऑब्जर्वेशन किया जाता है वहाँ पर अलग अलग लोग हंसते हैं। पहले एक प्रकार पेश करना चाहूँगा। आवाज नहीं निकलती, बस सिर्फ हंसते रहते हैं, अंदर से हंसते हैं, बिल्कुल जैसे मानो उनके अंदर का पूरी हंसी जैसे पूरी बाहर निकल रही है। कुछ लोग एक छोटा सा जैसे कोई एक छोटा सा उपकार कर दे किसी के ऊपर, इतना सा हंसते हैं, छोटा सा स्माइल देकर, छोटा सा स्माइल देते हैं। कितना भी बड़ा जोक उनके सामने रखो, एक छोटा सा स्माइल, इस तरह से। कुछ लोगों की हंसने की आदत है ये हंसने का एक अलग प्रकार होता है कि लोग इस तरह से भी हंसते हैं। आजू बाजू कौन देख रहा है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, इनको कुछ पता नहीं होता। ये लोग इस तरह से हंसते हैं, और कुछ लोग ऐसे टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में पीस में हंसते हैं। इस तरह से यह हंसने की लोगों की अलग अलग अदाएं होती है। एक शख्स जैसे राहुल उगले सर है, राहुल उगले सर के बारे में ये नोटिस किया है कि राहुल उगले सर हंसते कैसे है। हा 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 हा। इस तरह से ये हंसने के अलग अलग अंदाज होते हैं। तो इसी तरह से बच्चे जो भी है अलग अलग विषय के ऊपर अपनी अपनी ऑब्जर्वेशन और उसके ऊपर का एक लाफ्टर पेश करने वाले हैं। तो दिस इज द पीस ऑफ लाफ्टर चैलेंज फ्रॉम माय साइड। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much, sir. It was really, really nice. Actually, throughout your talking,
Wonderful,
I was just
wonderful.
laughing. Yeah, it is wonderful. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Now I would like to call upon Seema Sararkar ma'am for some activities. Over to you, Seema ma'am. Welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good afternoon, respected principal sir, respected guest, and my all dear teachers. तो आज मैं आपको स्टिक आर्ट में फोटो फ्रेम का प्रेजेंटेशन देने वाली हूँ। इसके लिए हमें स्टिक्स लगने वाले हैं जो कहीं पर भी अवेलेबल है। स्टिक्स को हमें लेना है, रोप लगेगा, फिर फेविकॉल, सीजर। ओके, तो हमें रोप को लेकर एक बंच बनाना है, फिर दूसरे बंच को हमें ऐसे रखकर उसको बांधना है। इस तरीके से। ओके, ऐसे हमें 4 कॉर्नर्स को रोप का यूज कर बांध लेना है। इस तरीके से, और नीचे से भी ऐसे चारों कॉर्नर्स को हमें जॉइंट करना है। कुछ इस तरीके से आपको फोटो फ्रेम तैयार मिलेगी, और इस फोटो फ्रेम में आप कोई भी फोटो ऐड कर सकते हो। जैसे कि मैंने एक आपके लिए बना के रखा है। इस तरीके से ये फोटो फ्रेम रेडी होके इस तरीके से दिखेंगी। आप इसको डेकोरेट भी कर सकते हो, कलरिंग भी कर सकते हो, और ऐसे सुंदर सी एक आपको फोटो फ्रेम आप ऐसे घर में लगाकर रख सकते हो। एक हो गया ये स्टिक आर्ट का प्रेजेंटेशन, और दूसरा एक कोई भी आप स्टिक लेकर उसको कलर कर सकते हो, और उसको सिंपल ये पेपर है, पेपर को लीव्स की शेप से कट करिए और उसे लगा दीजिए, और आप जो मन चाहे कलर लगा सकते हो। और इसे अच्छे से किसी में भी रखकर ऐसे एक इनोवेटिव चीज बना सकते हो।
Very beautiful. Very nice.
थैंक यू। और एक मैंने स्कल्पचर बनाया है जो मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ। ओके, थैंक यू सर। ओके, थैंक यू।
Thank you, Seema ma'am. It was really nice. Now I would like to call Sakshi
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, I would like to call Sakshi ma'am for vote of thanks. Sakshi ma'am.
Thank you, Priyanka ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you are audible.
Good afternoon to one and all present here, respected management dignitaries, today's guest, Ms. Rekha Surve ma'am, Sister Norman, respected principal sir, Chitlange ma'am, all teachers and dear students. Myself, Sakshi Chokse, event coordinator of Sanskar Jnanpith, express my sincere thanks towards all. On behalf of Sanskar Jnanpith Khamgaon and entire SDK family, I feel immense pleasure to take this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks to our today's guest, Ms. Rekha Surve ma'am, manager of Vinayak Gurukul CBSE Amravati, who spared the time for her from her busy schedule to grace this virtual inauguration ceremony of SDK Charisma with her extremely kind and inspirational thoughts. I will further extend my heartfelt thanks to our respected principal sir of Sanskar Jnanpith Khamgaon, Mr. Prashantji Dharmadhikari sir, for his thought-provoking insight for Bagley School based on NEP 2021 in the form of SDK Charisma in this COVID-19 crisis. I also want to take this opportunity to specially express my deep regards and gratitude towards our respected principal sir for always encouraging us and providing opportunities to organize such events. I also want to thank all teachers for their support and their presence. Once again, I express my heartfelt gratitude towards each and everyone present here with us this afternoon, and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much.
And I want to congratulate Harish sir. It was very wonderful presentation. Welcome song, your words, actually your tune and your music actually gives us the peace and satisfaction also. Thank you very much. Thank you once again, Rekha ma'am and Sister Norman, for being with us and investing your time, very precious time and valuable time on Sunday especially. And I wish all the best to all of you, all team members, as well as I wish all the best to the students. Enjoy and make this summer with a new leadership. We want to develop the leadership because we want to develop new leaders there in the school, and we want to develop this nation with the strong pillars. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir, behalf from all. Thank you everyone for joining the event, and all the best from my side also, and I'm also need all the best, right, from your side.
We'll have one group photograph. Please turn on your cameras. Rahul sir, take 49 frame screenshot.
Yes sir. My one camera will be not
yes
there because of
all of you, please turn on your cameras.
Yes, I'll take a screenshot from laptop, right?
Laptop. I don't take it.
Come. Everyone. Pooja ma'am, Seema ma'am, Rupa ma'am, Suresh Gaiti sir, Amul sir.
Sonali Sontakke, Norman ma'am, Jyoti Raghuvanshi ma'am, Amul sir, okay, is on. Suresh Gaiki, Aparna Mulande ma'am. If your other device is there, you may leave with that device.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Once again, I am taking from here. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you, ma'am. Wonderful anchoring.
Thank you, sir.
Nice activity presentation. Everything was superb and very nicely coordinated. And laughter challenge also was great experience. It made everyone to turn off their cameras to laugh. Right. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Sakshi ma'am, Arpana ma'am, Seema ma'am, everybody. You guys, Sonali ma'am, you helped me a lot. Thank you so much, everyone.
Could you turn on the recording?
Yeah, I'll do